So this is the tutorial for twist. When the song starts, we all take random turns. It doesn't have to be in the direction that I took. I took towards the left side, but you can turn anywhere. Or if you don't want to turn, if you want to just move and clap, that's also fine. The idea is to just spread out a little bit and then come back together when the steps start. So we roll and clap and roll and clap, and from there the next movement is this. The hands are this, just the thumb and the little finger is out, and from there we go to the right, left, down, up, that's it. From there the next step is just a kick and place. So you kick with the right leg, kick right leg, place, and then extend your left leg. Same thing with the left, kick, place, extend, kick, place, extend, kick, place, extend. When you do it fast, it'll look something like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Right after that, the lyrics start. So for that, we go twice to the right, twice to the left. From there we jump 4 times. Every time we jump, our hands go folded like that, folding like that. So 4 jumps. Right after that we point forward, step forward with that as well. So right and right, left and left, up and up. From there, shoulder movement. So your right hand, left shoulder, 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite. So first with the right hand, second with the left hand. So go push, 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 push. That's it. Now from there, we step forward with our right leg. We go circle, circle, lift, lift. Again, the right leg comes up twice, 1 and up, up. From there, right hand, right leg crosses in towards the left side, 1 and opposite, left hand, left leg, 1, out. As soon as you come out, we just extend our left hand up, and it's just a shoulder movement. We just go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now from there, we go with the right leg down and up and down and up and. After that, left hand extends over to the left side, right hand comes in, out, circle, circle. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Extend your right arm forward, left hand in to the main chorus step. Over here we go twist, up, circle, left and right and left. Immediately 1. So the second movement is just roll up, roll up, roll up. So we go 1 and 2, 3 and jump, 1 and 2, circle to the left side. This entire chorus movement repeats twice. Thank you.